Okay, don't get close to it, Ma. You'll get dirty. This is all something totally new. Totally new.
He's being extra mean now.
Oh shit! Now what happened?
Wait a second.
What did I do? Woo.
Oh, that one.
Oh, wow.
He likes that button.
Oh yeah.
The people have spoken, and I have listened. Hey, everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. I am back with another vehicle. You know where I am. This is IAA. And I've had a couple of people say, you know, Mike always he walks around and looks at these cars. He never buys anything. Well, I do buy them. And this is a great example. I don't know how this is going to come out in the order of all the videos that I'm doing, but I purchased a car. I love it. It's black over black over black. It's fantastic. And I'm very excited to show it to you. Yep, we did it. I don't know. I found this during one of my walk around videos. And in the words of Ariana Grande, I want it. I bought it. I got it. It's mine. Look at this. This is I don't even know, 2001, maybe? I don't know, but it is in such good condition. It started right up when I was driving, when I was doing the walk around videos, and I remember the Toyo tires in fantastic shape. I don't know why it's here. I don't know. It's kind of just general as far as the damage. I think it's in perfect shape. So we're going to get her all strapped up. We're going to get her home, and then we'll do the walk around. I just don't want to be out here any longer than I need to be because I think it's going to start raining, and I got a lot of work to do today. So let me get this thing all strapped up. We'll drag it home, and then we'll show you what I got. Okay, we have arrived. You know where we are. And you know these two beautiful people. Look at that. Mom and Tom, and the key to a Jaguar. Now, because this is, I haven't checked out this vehicle at all.
Yeah.
I drove it up here, I checked the fluids, and I washed the windshield. Other than that, we're going to have you guys kind of evaluate the vehicle.
We didn't wash the body of it.
No,
It's filthy.
It is kind of filthy, I'm sorry.
Okay, don't get close to it, Ma. You'll get dirty.
Oh, it doesn't stink.
Yeah.
Oh,
boy.
thanks.
Me too. That last one.
You know my cars.
Yeah, yeah,
And it's parked next to your nice shiny truck. You made room for it.
yeah.
They didn't know I was bringing this up here.
I was afraid you'd run into something.
I can recognize that.
It's
Can you see the little kitty?
look here. There.
I can see the mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And there's your Jaguar.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that something?
Yes.
And I'll tell you what.
That's good looking.
So what color is this? Black?
Underneath all the dirt, it is black.
Okay, I didn't know.
Yes.
Just asking.
Okay. So, I don't know if the
You
windows
got
work.
flashlight. Yeah, but headlights. You got 4 headlights.
Yeah.
You never driven one up here that had all 4 headlights.
Some were missing, but yeah.
Not
it's-
some were missing. They
Yeah.
all were missing.
Well,
They're all were missing some.
what sold me on
Looky
this
here.
car are the
Yeah.
tires.
Do you actually have the wheels are alike
They match,
and they're round?
and they're round, and they're good ones.
This is all something totally new. Totally new.
He's being extra mean now.
No.
He's
I just-
hating on my car.
No.
He's finished Thanksgiving dinner, too.
This-
He should
this-
be pulling sassy.
He got the right hat on, though. See?
Yeah, see that?
See?
Getting another $5 for wearing it.
He's being truthful
He's-
with that.
Yep, he's the producer, you know. Yep. Yep.
Okay,
All
Mom,
right,
do you want to
let's
get
see.
in the
Let's
back
see.
or the
Okay.
front?
Oh shit! Now what happened?
Wait a second.
What did I do?
I don't know why it does that.
Well, it's because you push on that button.
Oh, did you hit the button?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I guess. I don't know.
why it did that, but
Just put me wherever you want me.
Watch out! No telling
well,
what's going to
will
happen
you
now.
fit in the trunk, Mom?
Hold me up.
Here.
Okay.
I'm still pretty flexible.
Okay.
My gosh, the inside's nice.
Wait till you see the mileage on this thing. It's
All right, you know what we're doing?
Yeah, I'm trying
All right,
to find the...
here we go.
so this should be easier than that convertible that you
Oh,
hopped
yeah, that's
right
a lot
in.
easier. Give us about 5 minutes, she'll get in. Here we go, baby. Get your head down. Don't dent the door frame. Okay. All right, that's good. Good deal. Boy, you just hop right in there. Good deal. Yeah. Okay. Woo. All right, you got a seatbelt?
Yep.
Okay. We may take this for a drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't know. He hadn't said.
We're taking it for a drive
yeah,
because you
he's-
got to tell me what works and what doesn't
Oh,
work.
okay. All right.
Yeah. So let's
Oh.
see here.
probably be nice if I had a driver's license.
Well, do people know you around here?
Unfortunately.
Well, we might need a driver's
Yeah, I
license.
probably should. Let me go get that real quick.
Okay, here you go.
I'll be right back.
It's right there.
Ooh. Well, you're kind of upgrading your operation, aren't you?
Well, I'm trying to make my channel better.
Well,
I mean, this isn't an American car, but
no,
it's a
not
good
an
one.
American car, but it is a pretty good car.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like this. This got some class to it.
Hopefully, now if you want to adjust the seat, that's all on the bottom.
Is that the ignition?
Yeah. You seen the key? How weird that key looks?
It is. Good grief.
There you go.
Kind of like that.
This is the 6-cylinder.
Okay, I was just going to ask what that.
Yeah.
Is it an inline or?
No.
It's not.
V6.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right.
Now, if you want to raise the seat or make it go, it's all down there.
Down here? Okay,
Mhm.
let's see if it works. Woo!
Oh, that one.
Oh, whoa, wow.
He likes that button.
Oh, yeah. Woo!
Is it a vibrator?
Woo! You know what? This sort of thing right there used to be illegal. You know that? Whoa, man. Woo!
Okay.
Oh, that makes me young again.
Okay, now this is called the J gate.
The J gate. What's this flash for?
Okay,
That-
ignore the flashing thing right there. That's the
Okay.
one thing that.
How about the flashing thing over here?
What's flashing over
Well,
there?
it's got a, like you're not.
Oh, that's the airbag.
Is that the airbag over here?
That's the airbag light.
There? Which one?
The one on the right. The one in the
right.
middle is your traction control. So I knew that was flashing. That's no big
Okay.
deal.
Oh, no,
Ignore
traction.
the
You
flashing
don't need
lights.
traction.
No. Okay.
The dumbest thing ever.
I think you're clear over here for a while. Ooh. That was the doors locking. See, we're bougie.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Where am I?
Put it in. Put your foot on the brake. There you go. Now try it.
That guy behind me is helping.
Uh-oh. Stop.
There you go. All right.
Okay.
Thanks for honking there. You know what that proves?
What?
There's an asshole born every day. Jamie.
Okay.
I know, I'll drive up behind that old man and honk. Yeah, that's a good idea. Dumb piece of crap. Oh, it's a woman. Okay, never
Oh,
mind.
it is? She's still back there?
I can kind of tell
Okay.
when they act like that.
What is it? I'm in a woman? 'Cause
Well, it could be.
She's
Got a
following
nice
the-
ride to it. Wow.
It was really peppy on the way
Yeah.
up here.
Yeah. Suppose I can hit 60 by that stop sign?
We can try.
All right, let's go. they're not running on us today. They're not running
No.
any X-ray stuff or whatever it is.
Do you know the police force here? Have you met a couple of the cops?
I've met quite a few of them.
Okay. In a good way? Or were you on the wrong side of the law?
Well, it's just a matter of opinion.
Says the former law enforcement officer.
You know, people kind of like jump to a conclusion on things. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
No, this is nice, awfully nice.
I don't know if the windows work. This one does. Mom, does your window work back there?
Well, tell me where to find it.
Just feel for the button on the handle.
Is that it? Can you see where my finger is?
I can't see your hand at all. Just push it. No?
You're pushing the wrong finger. It doesn't work.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
Where's Tom? Tom's got the child lock on. That's what he's
Oh.
doing.
Ooh,
There's
here,
yours.
Here, yeah.
Okay.
I found mine. It works.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's mine.
Does the
Cool.
little thing have an indention in it?
Yes.
It's not.
It's not working? Okay.
I don't want to get out on that road there. There's too many cops on it.
Okay. I don't even know what like this stuff. Look at that. That opens with authority. Look at that.
Yeah.
You could hide all kinds of
Well, no.
illegal contraband. In
Yeah, I was gonna say that's for your marijuana.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you got a little snort, you're in traffic, and kind of, it's kind of tense. You kind of getting like, whoa, I don't know what to do here, and you're some dumbass like a lot of these people are, and so you just go in there and you push that button, it's back, baby. Yep, that's what they do.
You hear what he's saying up here, Mom?
I'm ignoring it.
She's ignored me so long she doesn't even know my first name.
Are you still looking for the window button, or what are you doing back there?
I found it, I think. But
Oh, okay.
I'm just saying.
You just kind of feeling around?
Yeah.
There's a couple of vents back there for you. That's
What?
a rattle.
We got a rattle, yeah. That's not bad. I mean, that's right. It's just stuff. Well, can you see anything out of there, Martha? So to speak.
Yeah.
You're kind of down there, aren't you?
Yes, but I can see
Well,
out.
yeah. And if you were riding in the front seat, you could elevate up, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Because these go up.
Oh, I think it's that piece way in there. I can fix it. Okay.
Well, this is sure the best thing you've ever brought up here. Now that
Oh no.
that not saying a whole lot.
Right.
You know what I'm talking about?
What's your favorite car that I brought up here?
I don't think I have a favorite.
Wasn't the Saab? Didn't you like the Saab?
There was that convertible, that American-made convertible. Remember we threw Mom in the back?
Well, yeah, that was all right. That was all right. Yeah, that was all right.
We had that station wagon with Mindy and Lori.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, that one was. Then we had the Volvo wagon.
Well, you know me.
Everything.
You know me and Volvo.
Yeah, you got that great story about.
Yeah. All right.
It was your dash that fell in your lap all the time, right?
Whole dash. Whole dash. Bam, right. Of course, hey, it's probably my fault I had 1,000 miles on it. Now,
1,000. Yes.
when you got 1,000 miles on a car that has never left the island of Puerto Rico, which is only about 70 miles long,
Okay.
it takes a long time to build up 1,000 miles. And it really did with that damn thing because I had it in the shop every week. The only time that I didn't have it in the shop is when I'd go to Venezuela or Colombia on business and leave it back there, Then it did fine. It did fine parked. Well, I'll tell you.
How many miles does this car have?
What does it say? I can't tell.
81,000 miles.
Did it say that?
Only 81,000. That's not bad for 24 years.
There it is. Yeah.
24 years.
It's a 2000. This is a
Oh,
2000.
I thought it was a 2.
No, this is a 2000.
That's a lesson in life right there.
It is?
Yeah.
What I
Don't
just
take
learned?
driving instructions from a blind woman.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. You could drive it.
All right, here we go.
What are you going to do, a donut or something in here?
What?
I thought you were going to get your wheel spin like that. Those days are behind you?
I don't think you'd ever do that.
Did you ever do that? Did you ever go racing anybody?
It's not it.
He's not answering. That's a definite yes.
Yeah, that's about a definite yes.
He got poison ivy one time and decorated a dance with it.
Well, now that that was a little problem. I'm not allergic to poison ivy.
Oh,
I
no.
grew up with it, I think. Anyway,
Oh no.
we were having a senior prom deal, and it was a Southern Belle, that kind of thing down here. And so my best friend and I agreed that we'd go get ivy, so you hang from the. Oh, it was really nice, really nice. So we went over to a place. Can't tell you where it is. They may still be looking for me. And it's a nice part of Tulsa. And so I said, I know where there's a lot of ivy. It's just all down those brick walls, all the way down that lake. And well, Swan Lake, I'll tell you that. And anyway, we go down there, and sure enough, man, we get it. We throw it in the back of his car he had, and some kind of a station wagon. And I tell you what, we just got us more of that, and we took it by the school and left it there. And then the girls got out there and they hung it all over the place, you know. And oh, it's just wonderful. It just couldn't have been prettier. Couldn't have been prettier. Of course, at the party, at the dance, then they had big fancy dresses on, you know what I mean, and the hair all done up, you know, really nice. That calamine lotion all over.
I remember that stuff, calamine. Yeah.
Yeah, baby. That pink stuff all over you, trying to cut down that itch from the poison ivy. They all said they were yelling, screaming at me. I said, "No, just Jack doing it. I just do it." That was not my best moment right there. Right there, I kind of went downhill on that one.
What a great story, though.
But he was innocent. You were innocent. You didn't.
No, I just didn't care.
Oh, okay.
I really could care less. Wasn't our dance, it was the senior to it. So, you know, the junior decorates for the seniors, you know what I mean?
Okay, yeah.
So I was afraid to go to ours the next time. You know, tell them what they do. Lord have mercy. Yeah, so no, it's just terrible accident.
Ooh, okay. There we go. Now you can see us
there you
all.
are.
We should have been doing this the whole time.
Oh, yeah.
If I could hold the camera straight, you'd think I'd have a little more experience.
Yeah.
Being in front of cameras, but
Yeah, you ever start trying to make money doing this, you're going to have to get better at it. Yeah.
I really am. So, for the S-Type, thumbs up or thumbs down?
Whoa.
They like it.
Big time. Big
They
time.
like it a lot.
This is the deal here now.
All right.
I like this. You done good.
All right. Well, thank you very much, and thank you guys for watching. If this is something you guys would like to have, you know what I thought would be funny? We should take Mom to the tag agency and see if they'll put the title in her name. What would happen if a blind woman went to the tag agent and tried to title a car?
Yeah.
Well, and then you have to hold my hand when I
Yeah,
sign
yeah.
anything.
You sign here, she can't. She's hard her sign. She's blind. Yeah.
Here's
Well,
a pencil.
for being good Okies, you know what they'd say? Oh, dearie.
Yeah, bless her heart.
Bless her heart. That's right. They'll just bless her heart. Go ahead and I'll sign for you, darling. That's
Yeah,
what they do. And that'd be the end of it. She'd have her title.
All right.
We don't, you know, go on that East Coast kind of stuff where you have to, you know, dot the I's and all that stuff. No. As long as you get close, that's what we say.
That was my motto when I was an accountant.
Oh.
Didn't work out for me, but that was my motto.
The debits didn't equal the credits, but they came
It's
close, baby.
It's close.
I understand exactly what you mean. Exactly.
All right. Say goodbye, everybody. We're back with another
Good-
video soon. Bye.
Goodbye.